which is the bigger value between of this? Which is the bigger value? First, this we can write 3 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 3. This means we can write 3 into 3 into 3. So value is 3 into 3 9. 9 into 3 27. So this value is 2 to the power of 27. And this we can write 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3. So this value is 2. 3 plus 3 plus 3. This value is 9. So this is the value of this, and this is the value of this. So obviously this is the bigger. So we can write this is the bigger of this.